Welcome! Today we're exploring one of the most elegant proofs in number theory, Eisenstein's geometric proof of quadratic reciprocity. For odd primes p and q, the law states that q bar p equals -1 raised to the sum of floor q times u divided by p. Let's make this concrete with an example. We'll use p equals 11 and q equals 7. Now for the beautiful part, we construct an 11 by 7 lattice. Each point represents integer coordinates from 1 to 10 horizontally and 1 to 6 vertically. Here's our game plan. First, we build our lattice. Second, we draw our reference triangle. Third, we count interior lattice points. And fourth, we identify points with even x coordinates. Watch as we draw our right triangle from the origin to 11, 0 and up to 0, 7. This triangle will be our counting region. Now the magic begins. We highlight all lattice points strictly inside this triangle. These interior points correspond exactly to Eisenstein's sum in the formula. Here's the clever twist. We now focus only on interior points with even x coordinates. In our example, we count 3 such points. This gives us our answer. The Legendre symbol 711 equals -1 to the third power, which is -1. So 7 is not a quadratic residue modulo 11. And this leads us to the full quadratic reciprocity law. Q where p times pq equals -1 raised to the product of p minus 1 and q minus 1 divided by 4. There you have it. Eisenstein's brilliant geometric insight transforms an algebraic problem into an elegant counting argument. Proof complete.